Hello, welcome. Let's spend some 2-3 minutes on this question under differentiation 1994 SSCE question 12. Given that y equals to 2x exponent 3 plus 2x squared plus 1, or in a bracket raised to the power 5, we have to find dy dx. Simple differentiation. We are going to follow two methods to arrive at the answer. First, following the direct differentiation, then we will now follow the chain rule to get to the answer. So if in this case we are having y is equals to 2x exponent 3, 2x squared plus 1, or to the power 5, our dy dx right away will be, if we recall, we know that if I have y equals to functions of a function as is raised to the power n, where the terms in the bracket are made up of x and other constants, we are going to have our dy dx as the n coming forward. Let me write it in a longer version. Our dy dx become n, the function, we reduce the power by 1, like a normal differentiation. Then we multiply the result by the differential of the terms in the bracket. So first of all, you perform a normal differentiation, the exponent comes to multiply, then you go in the bracket to differentiate after you reduce the power by 1. So let's see if that could be applied here. This is our n. It comes forward to multiply the whole 2x exponent 3, 2x squared plus 1, reduce this by 1, you get 4, right? Multiply by the differentiation of the terms in the bracket. And we can recall also that y equals to x exponent n as a function of x. We are going to have dy dx as n coming forward, multiply x, reducing the power, just like we did in the beginning. So in this bracket, 3 comes forward to multiply. Let's write it here. And that will give us what? 6x. We subtract 1 from the 3, you get 2. Plus 2 come forward to multiply 2, give you 4. You subtract 1, it gives you only x. What happened? This is going to be 0. So this become this bracket multiplying. But you can see this is binomial, trinomial. So let's put the binomials together with the constant. So let's take it to the top. Our dy dx will now become 5 is multiplying 6x squared plus 4x times the bracket, which will be 2x exponent 3, 2x squared plus 1 exponent what? 4. So this becomes the differentiation of this using a direct method. We can also use the chain rule. Let's say we let u equals to the term in the bracket. So u is going to be 2x exponent 3, 2x squared plus 1. So let's perform differentiation of that, meaning our du dx, we differentiate u with respect to x, following the same record. This is coming forward, 6x squared. This is coming forward, plus 4x, just like we did in this case. Now, if u in that case, then it means that your y will not become, the bracket is u, then exponent of what? 5. We are doing substitution in this case. So we can also find our dy du, meaning differentiation of what? Y with respect to u. We follow the same approach. 5 come forward, we reduce the power by 1, so we get 4. And if you check, we can do substitution from here. By the chain rule formula, you know, if I'm looking for dy dx, dy comes first, so I have dy, then the variable I introduce will be du. This du will now come forward as du divided by what? The dx. So that when this cancel, you can see their common term up, down, we'll be left with this. So we are now going to multiply. we've already have the values of this already. Our dy dx become dy du. Where is it? 5u exponent 4. Then that is multiplying, you can use a dot here if you want to, du dx, which is going to be 6x squared plus 4x. That is our dy dx. But we can see that u is not part of it's not in terms of x. So we can go back and say that 5u, what is the u? The u is the 2x exponent 3. We have our 2x squared plus 1. The u is having a power of 4. Then we multiply by our 6x squared plus 4x. Don't forget, multiplication is what? Commutative. So whether this is multiplying this one first before this, as in the case of this, the two results are the same by the chain rule differentiation. And I'm sure you follow the first one, you also follow the second one. Any method that resonates with you, you can apply them as often as you want. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.